Hey everyone, how's it going? It's your man Richie Rips here. Today we've got a brand new product, the Ultra Premium Terapagos EX. In this box, we have one foil promo card featuring Terapagos, another one featuring Lapras, and another one with Cinderace. There's going to be 8 really cool looking energy cards, and there's going to be one magnetic 3-card protector, a playmat, and a total of 18 booster packs, which I'm most excited for. So let's get ripping and let's get the show on the road. Alright, to begin the ripping, I am going to slit open the plastic wrap. Alright, so let's get it going. Exciting new package. This cost about $135 Canadian, as I'm from Canada. Let's take a look. That's a big box. So let's see what's in this beautiful box. Ooh, giant turtle. This looks great. Great texture on this box. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Got a lot of goodies here. So the promo cards, nicely slaved in here. Wow, look at that. The artwork's just stunning. Absolutely stunning. Let's set that aside. Continue taking a look. So here we've got the coins, the dice set, setting that aside. Got this magnetic. This is some quality plastic. Setting that one aside. Next we've got the playmat, and this is what I'm most excited for, as I will be using this regularly moving forward. We've also got the card stand. You will be now putting this onto. And we've got a deck box, really cool looking deck box. Then below that we've got all those energy cards. Well, let's take out the packs first. What kind of packs on this side? Stellar Crown, Twilight, Temporal, Paradox, Obsidian Flames. All these packs are pretty heavy, so lots of shinies. Let's see if this one's heavier. Oh, nope. About the same. So once again, Stellar Crown, Twilight, Temporal Forces, Paradox, Obsidian Flame. Then I'm gonna just set this box aside. So let's take a look at this brand new playmat. Wow, look Look at that. Look at that, everyone. Absolutely gorgeous. Great playmat. It's got a nice rubbery bottom so the mat doesn't move. And now we will begin with our packs. Alright, so the packs are divided, left side, right side in the box, but now we're going to see whether it's going to be top team or bottom team if we're having pack battles. So think of the team you think is going to win with the most valuable card, and let's see if you're right at the end of this video. So without further ado, we're going to begin with the top team. So we're going to start Obsidian Flame. Let's see what we've got here. I don't know if there's a card trick, but with the name Obsidian Flames, I would guess there to be a Charizard. Okay, set that aside. So we've got Barboach, Wiglet, Squivlet. Ooh, what is this? Never seen this Pokemon before. Palpitoad, Solrock, Tootskrull, Putgist, Claydol, Zigzagoon. Ooh, Togekiss. Is the rare? Do we have something behind that? Nope. Alright, let's set that one aside for now. Oop, into the trash pile. Alright, bottom team, let's get it going. We've got Obsidian Flames for the bottom team. Let's see where this goes. Okay, Swablu, Clement, Tadbulb, Lechonk, adorable, Diggersby, Houndstone, Doug Trio. I think I see a small glimpse of something big coming up. Bounsweet, Bronzor. Ooh, Revavroom. What is this? That looks like a win for the bottom team. But the show must go on. So, Obsidian Flames 2. Let's go back to the top. Okay. Exciting days when it comes to unboxing and ripping through these packs. Okay. Lampent. Gloom. What is that? It looks like some crusty stuff on the cards already. Bronzor. Snubbull. Altaria. Ocarona. Ortega. Amugus. And oof. Ooh, Ninetales. I think this is one of the big hits. This automatically puts top team in the lead. Let me bag that real quick. Ooh, beautiful card. Let's take it back. Alright, so that's top team for you. Let's go to bottom team. There's only one card bigger than that in the Obsidian Flames, I believe, and let's see if we end up pulling that through. Alright, shuck that. Let's get the show on the road. Togedemaru. Whoa, look at this. Is this a hamster? Or is it a mouse? Is it related to Pikachu? I don't know. Grevard Lechonk. Love Lechonk. Look how cute it is. Togepi, Magnezone, Briseus, Houndoom, Crabrawler, Sharpedo, Claydol, and a basic energy. So that's what we've got for the bottom team. set these aside. Alright, so let's continue. And we are moving on to Paradox Rift. Alright, so let's see if the bottom team's gonna come ahead, but right now, let's go back to the top team. Alright. See what we've got here. Perline, Minfu, Pharisee, Gibble, Simisear, Crobat, Rourke, Larry, Feebas, something big here, come on, Porygon Z. Alright. On to the next. Team bottom. Paradox Rift. Let's get it going. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Oh, did you get a sneak peek? Well, I didn't. Hunedge, Horsey, Joltik, Noctu, Ferrothorn, Curse Duster, Orbeetle, Naxquack, Vanillitit, ooh, Espathra. What is this? Is this a Pokemon or a trainer? Let me know in the chat or in the comment section. Okay, moving along. Let's see. Another Paradox Rift. Paradox Rift. Let's go back. Let's go with the bottom team. Alright, let's get it going. Let's see. What do we got here? Oh. Code card. Oop. Okay. Pharisee, Gibble, Panpour, Blitzel, Defiance Vest. Ooh, looks scary. Durant. Technical Machine Turbo Engine, Milotic. Alright, this looks pretty good. Stenny, Sexian. Whoa, 2 rares. But you know what? I think the Milotic came out ahead there. Let's go back up to the Paradox Rift for the top team. Will the top team continue its win with just the Ninetales? Well, let's see. Cool Pro code card. Alright. Mentike, Pensage, Minion. Ooh, adorable. Snorunt, Countercatcher, Absol. Ooh. Escarine, Trubbish, Cyclizar, ooh, Yveltal. Not sure what kind of Pokemon that is, but it is what it is. Alright, let's keep it going. Temporal Forces. Moving back to the top team. I don't personally like this set just because it didn't seem like there were many valuable cards. So this might have been one of those packs that you could use as a stocking stuffer. Meditate. Tyranitar. Hoot. Beldum. Shaman. Forretress. Vikavolt. Roly-Coly. Cargo, Trampa. Alright, sure. Put that up there. Alright, back to bottom team, Temporal Forces. Let's get this going. Why is this pack so hard to open? Maybe there's a big hit for bottom team. Catch up. Okay, code card, Grodel, Finizen, Bronzor, Mightyena, Full Metal Lab, Golurk, Shaman. Ooh, Pidove. Ooh, look at that artwork. This looks to be the hit, I think. Mudsdale. It's like kicking hay right into the wagon. And Macargo. Oh, wait, we got a Macargo up there too. It's kind of cool. Well, let's bag that too. Centering looks great on this card. Okay, so let's see what we have next. Twilight Masquerade. Start with the top team. Okay. Are you keeping track of the value of the cards? Because I have no idea. So you let me know in the chat if your team is winning or losing. Abra, Skarmory, Applin, Snorunt, Love Ball. Whoa, there's a new ball. I didn't know about this one. Glamora, Arados, Poliwag, and Sunflora. What kind of art is that? Look at that. Absolutely beautiful card. And a Frostlass. Let's put that aside. Wow, stunning card. I think we got another hit here. So let's bag that. Top team with the second hit. Let's get it. Alright, back to bottom team. Twilight Masquerade. Whoa, this one's got a sticky top. Alright, let's see what's going on in this one. Let's get it. Let's get it. Some technical difficulties opening this pack. Maybe there's a giant massive hit in this one too. Energy card, code card, Darumaka, Epon, Poliwag, Help, Heracross, Love Ball again, Glamora, Enhance Hammer, Swirlix, big one right here. Ooh, and we got a Walking Wake Ancient. This is a sickening card. Absolutely sickening. Wasn't this Suicune back in the days? Well, it's Walking Wake now. Let's bag it, because that looks pretty cool too. So, do you think top team's ahead, or is the bottom team ahead right now? Let me know in the chat. Alright, another Twilight Masquerade. Alright, let's keep these openings going. Rippin' Rich. Alright, Venipede, Chansey, Dracloak, Poliwhirl, Enhance Hammer, Glalie, Cloatrell, Shinx. Oh, I love Shinx. Adorable little dog or lion. Ooh, Sandshrew and Infernape. That's a oof. That's an oof. Alright, next one for the bottom team. Let's see if the bottom team will come out ahead. Okay. Promo code. Energy Steel. Alright, Torkoal, Kadabra, Halucha, Tangrowth, Reveroom, Ogre's Mask. Whoa, these masks look pretty cool. Sunflora, Tadbulb, Palafin. Whoa, is that adorable or what? Look at that dolphin. Ooh, Iron Thorns. Whoa, this looks like a hit to me. Let's bag it. Alright, so here's the current tally. Do we think top team's ahead or the bottom team's ahead? let me know. Alright, 2 stellar crowns for both the top and the bottom left. Alright, let's do 2 from the top. Alright, 2 in a row. Let's do them together. 2 from the top. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, code. Alright, let's stack them together. Hoot hoot, grumbling, Gravier, Joltik, Pangoro, Crispin, Talonflame. Do we know what card we're looking for in the Stellar Crown? I think a Terapagos, Talonflame. Ooh, Deluxe Bomb, what is this? Ace Trainer, ooh. Deluxe Bomb. Ooh, Veluza. Metal, Basic Energy. Oh, right, we're moving into the second pack now. Gossifleur, Cubone, Nimble, Slowpoke, Electrifier, Veluza. It's a really sharp edged shark. Oop, Swalot, Cyclizar, something big. Grimmsnarl. Caracosta. Oof. I think this was the hit. So let's bag it. It looks like something I've never seen before, so it's gotta be a hit. Alright. Last 2 for the bottom team. Alright. Let's get this going. Whoosh. Promo code. Alright, Gold Pin, Gravard, Rhydon, more whoa, look at this gremlin. Lantern, Slowking, Jirachi, ooh, Mewtwo, what? Why is it only uncommon? Mewtwo back in my days were always considered a rare card. Chinchou, something big, oh, Terapagos, oh, sickening card, absolutely sickening, ooh. Richie Rips here. Okay, let's bag that. Alright, last pack. Does the bottom team need the last pack magic? Let me know. Are they ahead or are they behind? Well, let's see. Woo. Cubone. Milcery, Meow, Chargeable, Brer, whoa, Lectivire, Double, wow, Kung Fu Panda coming strong, love that, Gravity Gemstone, ooh, Dreadnought, and that's that, everyone. So, that's all the packs. Do you think the top team came out or the bottom? At this current point, I think the top team came out ahead with this 1 Ninetales and potentially this ace card. The bottom, honestly, I think the hit was these 2 cards, the Iron Thorns and the Terapagos. Let me know if I'm right or wrong. Until next time, everyone.